Amidst blooming beauty, living masterpiece graces us, the dazzling peacock. Adorned in iridescent hues, their plumage is a canvas of nature's most brilliant colors. As they fan their feathers, an intricate dance of light unfolds, captivating all who bear witness. Their breathtaking displays are not only a means of courtship, but also a celebration of beauty itself. In their regal posture, they embody elegance and splendor, a true testament to the marvels of evolution. And with their resounding calls, they proclaim their place in the vibrant tapestry of the wild. Dazzling peacocks, living reminders that nature's artistry knows no bounds.